In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this viral Earth zoom, completely free. But before the video, I want you to join to my YouTube channel, leave a follow and activate the bell. The first step to this effect is to open your clip in DaVinci Resolve or in any other program. Make sure you are in the first frame. Open it in the Colors page. Open the gallery, then right-click on the preview window and select Grab. Right-click on the image and choose Rename File. Choose JPG as the format. Then open your browser and type Higgsfield.ai. Scroll down to Zoom Out and click Create. Now upload your still image for the first frame. Then click on Create. The file will take a few minutes to create, but after it is ready you can download it, import the clip into DaVinci Resolve, move it to the front of the original clip, then right-click on the Death button and choose to change the clip speed. Click the Back button. This is the basis. I hope you like this clip. Don't forget to like. If you want more educational clips, write to me in the comments. See you in another video.